Ijaw is not complete without Opobo. So whoever is feeding you people with that information, they should go back to their history classes. You can't talk about the Ijaw struggle without the Opobo, the Boni, the Calabaris. We had our own line, trade line at that time. And for you to occupy a trade line, it means you are a true Ijaw man. So for the record, I'm a full-blooded, up to my bone, I'm a Ijaw man. Except they remove me today, but so long as I'm still standing, we will ensure that we'll redeem those promises. They might call me any name they want to call. When things are bad, people will say all sorts of things. It is only the will of the Almighty that prevails in any circumstance, no matter what it is. Even when our great-grandfathers were under inhuman conditions, they did not subject themselves to the colonial slavery. They were able to raise their head and also died in the struggle of saying this is right and this is wrong. So I will leave it here until a better day when a lot of things will be put in its proper place.